Good evening students, myself Anup Bhalla. Today we'll discuss a session on trigonometry. Now trigonometry, some basic formulas, let us recall some basic formulas, T ratios, we can say like sin theta is equal to what? Perpendicular upon hypotenuse, cos theta is base upon hypotenuse and tan theta is equal to perpendicular upon base. Now cosecant theta is 1 by sin theta, secant theta is equal to 1 by cos theta and cot theta is equal to cos theta by sin theta. Now some identities like tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta and cot theta is equal to cos theta by sin theta, and sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1 and 1 plus tan square theta is equal to secant square theta and 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosecant square theta. Now angles, sin 0 is equal to 0, sin 30, or we can say that pi by 6 where pi is 180 is 1 by 2, sin 45 1 by root 2, sin 60 is equal to root 3 by 2, sin 90 is equal to 1 and sin 180 is equal to 0. Likewise cos theta value 0 at 0, cos theta is equal to 1, at 30 cos theta is equal to root 3 by 2, at 45 cos theta is equal to 1 by root 2, and at 60 degree cos theta is equal to 1 by 2, 90 degree cos theta is equal to 0 and cos 180 is minus 1. Like tan 0 is 0, tan 30 is 1 by root 3, tan 45 is equal to 1, tan 60 is equal to root 3 and tan 90 is equal to infinity, and tan 180 degree is equal to 0. Now signs of different sin theta cos theta, like first quadrant from 0 to 90 degree, all sin theta cos theta tan theta secant theta cosecant theta and cot theta all are positive. In the second quadrant from 90 to 180, sin and cosecant are positive. In the third quadrant from 180 to 270, tan theta and cot theta are positive, and in the fourth quadrant cos theta and secant theta are positive. Now sin minus theta is minus sin theta, cos of minus theta is equal to cos theta, tan of minus theta is equal to minus tan theta. At 90 and 270, sin changes to cos, tan changes to cot theta and secant theta changes to cosecant theta. And at 180 and 360, sin will remain as sin, cos will remain as cos. Like sin 90 minus theta, this is the first quadrant, sin changes to cos theta. Sin 90 plus theta, for example, is equal to cos theta. This is second quadrant. Now sin 180 minus theta, again this is second quadrant, sin will remain as sin, that means sin 180 minus theta is equal to sin theta. In the third quadrant, sin 180 plus theta, it will change to minus sin theta. In the sin 360 minus theta, fourth quadrant, where cos and secant are positive, so it will be changes to minus sin theta. And sin 360 plus theta, again it comes out to the first quadrant, it will be sin theta, cos 360 plus theta, it will be cos theta, and tan 360 plus theta is equal to tan theta. So let's start the questions. Find the value of 1 plus tan square theta into 1 minus sin theta into 1 plus sin theta. Shraddha is saying option number 2, Vidushi again option number 2, Anjani option number 2. Let's try this question. 1 plus tan square theta is equal to secant square theta and 1 minus sin theta into 1 plus sin theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. So 1 minus sin square theta is equal to cos square theta and secant square theta into cos square theta, that is equal to 1, because secant square theta is equal to 1 by cos square theta. So cos square theta into 1 by cos square theta is equal to 1. That means second option is the right answer. So let us move to the next question, and question is cosecant theta minus sin theta into secant theta minus cos theta into tan theta plus cot theta is equal to. So try this question. Shraddha is saying answer number option number 3, Vidushi, Anjani option number 3, that is 1. So let us try this question. Cosecant theta minus sin theta. Now cosecant theta is what? 1 by sin theta. So if we write 1 by sin theta minus sin theta. Secant theta is 1 by cos theta, and tan theta sin theta by cos theta, and cot theta is equal to cos theta by sin theta. So if we take LCM, first expression 1 by sin theta minus sin theta, it will comes out to be 1 minus sin square theta over sin theta. So 1 minus sin square theta will be cos square theta upon sin theta. Now 1 by cos theta minus cos theta will be 1 minus cos square theta, which will be equal to sin square theta by cos theta into. Now if we take LCM, then this will come out to be sin square theta plus cos square theta upon cos theta into sin theta. So sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, and cos square theta will be cancelled out, and sin square theta again will be cancelled out. So answer will be 1. So let us do the next question. Under root of 1 plus cos theta over 1 minus cos theta. So try this question. What will be the answer? Anjali, previous question answer will be 1. That is third option. Question number 2. So try this question, Anjali. Now under root of 1 plus cos theta over 1 minus cos theta. If we multiply this expression numerator and denominator by 1 plus cos theta, then we will get 1 plus cos theta square, and in the denominator it will be a plus b into a minus b, 1 minus cos square theta whole under root. Now 1 plus cos square theta under root will be 1 plus cos theta, and 1 minus cos square theta is equal to sin square theta, and under root of sin square theta is only sin theta, and if we can write it like 1 by sin theta plus cos theta by sin theta. So 1 by sin theta is equal to cosecant theta, and cos theta by sin theta is equal to cot theta. So answer will be first option, cosecant theta plus cot theta. Is it clear to everybody? Vidushi, this question will be complicated if we use half angle identity, and it is very simple if we multiply the numerator and denominator by 1 plus cos theta. So let us move to the next question. Sin raised to power 6 theta plus cos raised to power 6 theta plus 3 sin square theta into cos square theta is equal to. So let us solve this question. Now sin raised to power 6 theta, it can be written as sin square theta q plus cos square theta q plus 3 sin square theta into cos square theta. Now we can write it like into sin square theta plus cos square theta, because we know that sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, so it will not impact the question. So this is the formula of a plus b whole cube. A plus b whole cube is what? A cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. Now so this will be is equal to sin square theta plus cos square theta whole cube, and sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, so this will be 1 cube 1. So answer is third option. Is it clear to everybody? Can we move to the next question? Okay, next question. If 4 cos square theta plus 8 cos theta minus 5 is equal to 0 and theta lies between 0 and 90 degree, find the value of theta. So Ankita, Yashita and Diksha, Vidushi, please try this question. Vidushi is saying 60 degree. So let us solve this question. Let cos theta is equal to x. Yes, Diksha answer is 60 degree. Vidushi is also right. Answer is 60 degree. So this will be 4x square plus 8x minus 5 is equal to 0. Now this is a quadratic equation. If we factorize this equation, then we will get 2x plus 5 into 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. So here either 2x plus 5 is equal to 0, that means x is equal to minus 5 by 2, or 2x minus 1 is equal to 0, that means x is equal to 1 by 2. But x cannot be minus 5 by 2 because value of cos theta lies between minus 1 and 1. So x cannot be minus 5 by 2, that means x is equal to 1 by 2. That means cos theta is equal to 1 by 2 and theta is equal to 60 degree. So is it clear to everybody? So shall we move to the next question? Okay, next question. Cos square theta upon cot square theta. Yes Sanjani, previous question. See, 2x plus 5 into 2x minus 1 is equal to 0, that means x is equal to minus 5 by 2, or 2x minus 1 is equal to 0, that means either x is equal to minus 5 by 2 or x is equal to 1 by 2. But x cannot be equal to minus 5 by 2 because value of cos theta lies between minus 1 and 1. So it cannot be equal to minus 5 by 2, that means x is equal to 1 by 2. Cos theta is equal to 1 by 2 and theta will be equal to 60 degree. Is it clear Anjani? Shall we move to the next question? Okay Anjani. Next. Cos square theta upon cot square theta minus cos square theta is equal to 3, where theta lies between 0 and 90 degree. Find the value of cos theta. So try this question. Now Anjani is saying option number 2, Vidushi 1 by 2, Diksha is also saying 1 by 2, Ankita, what is the answer? Ankita is also saying 1 by 2. So answer is 1 by 2. Yashita is also saying 1 by 2. So is it clear to everybody? That means answer is 1 by 2, or should I explain? Now cos square theta upon cot square theta minus cos square theta. If we take cos square theta, now cot square theta can be written as cos square theta by sin square theta minus cos square theta is equal to 3. So cos square theta, if we take it common, and this will be 1 minus sin square theta upon sin square theta. So this is equal to 3. Now cos square theta will be cancelled out and it will be equal to sin square theta, and 1 minus sin square theta is cos square theta is equal to 3. So this means tan square theta is equal to 3 and tan theta is equal to root 3. That means theta is equal to 60 degree and cos 60 degree is equal to 1 by 2. So is it clear to everybody? Let us move to the next question. So next question, tan 50 degree plus secant 50 degree upon cot 40 degree plus cosecant 40 degree plus cos 40 into cosecant 50 is equal to. So try this question. She is saying 1, Ankita 3. Is it first option or answer is 1? Is it third option or answer is 3? So let us solve this question. Now tan 50 can be written as tan 90 minus 40 plus secant 50 can be written as secant 90 minus 40 upon cot 40 plus cosecant 40 plus, now cos 40 can be written as cos 90 minus 50 into cosecant 50 degree. Now tan 50 degree lies in first quadrant, so tan will be converted to cot 40 plus secant will be converted to cosecant 40 upon cot 40 plus cosecant 40 plus this cos 90 minus 50, that means this will be sin 50 into cosecant 50. So cot 40 plus cosecant 40 upon cot 40 plus cosecant 40, this will be cancelled out, this will be is equal to 1, and sin 50 into cosecant 50. Now sin 50 is equal to 1 by cosecant 50, so this will again cancel out, so answer will be 2. That means second option. So is it clear to everybody? So shall we move to the next question? Next question, secant 70 into sin 20 plus cos 20 into cosecant 70 is equal to what? So try this question. Vidushi is saying first option, Diksha is also saying the same, Anjani is also saying the same, option number 1. Yashita, what will be the answer? Are you trying this question? Option number 2 or answer is 2? Yashita, what is the answer? First option, okay. Yashita, answer is 2. Is this question clear to everybody or we move to the, okay. So let us move to the next question. Cot 12 degree into cot 38 degree into cot 52 degree into cot 60 into cot 78. Find the value of this expression. So try this question. Vidushi is saying option number 2. Yashita is saying option number 1. Diksha option number 2. Yashita option 2. So let us solve this question. Now cot 12 can be written as tan 78 because cot 12 can be written cot 90 minus 78 and cot 38 can be written as cot 90 minus 52 into cot 52. Cot 60 is equal to 1 by root 3 and into cot 78. Now cot 90 minus 70, so cot will be converted to tan 78. Cot 90 minus 52 can be written as tan 52 into cot 52 into cot 78 into 1 by root 3. Now tan 78 can be cancelled out with cot 78 and tan 52 into cot 52 will be 1 and answer is 1 by root 3. That means second option. So is it clear to everybody? Shall we move to the next question? Next question, try this question. Tan 1 into tan 2 degree into tan 3 degree into tan 4 till tan 89 degree. What is the value of this? Vidushi is saying option number 2. Okay, Diksha is also saying the same. Now in this question there are 89 terms, which is from tan 1 degree to tan 89 degree, and the middle term will be equal to tan 45. Now tan 1 degree will be equal to cot 89 degree. Likewise tan 2 degree will be equal to cot 88 degree. When we convert these, 88 terms will be cancelled out and there will remain only one term, that is tan 45 degree, and tan 45 will be equal to 1. That means second option is answered, because tan 1 degree, if we write it, will be equal to tan 90 minus 89, which is equal to cot 89 degree. So cot 89 and tan 89 will be cancelled out. Likewise, Yashita, I am saying tan 1 degree is equal to tan 90 minus 89 degree, which will be equal to cot 89 degree. Now cot 89 degree will be cancelled out with the tan 89 degree. Likewise, tan 2 degree can be converted into cot 88 degree, which will be cancelled out with tan 88 degree. So all the terms will be cancelled out. There will remain only one term, that is tan 45 degree, and tan 45 degree will be equal to 1. So answer is second option, that is 1. Now Yashita, is it clear? Is it clear to everybody? Okay, shall we move to the next question? Find the value of sin square 30 degree into cos square 45 degree plus 4 tan square 30 degree plus 1 by 2 into sin square 90 minus 2 cos square 90 plus 1 by 24. So try this question. Find the answer of this question. Anjani and Vidushi is saying that answer is 2. Just put the values of sin 30, cos 45 and get the answer. So what is the answer, Diksha? Are you trying this question? Answer is 2. So is it clear to everybody or okay, Vidushi? So let us move to the next question if it is clear. All are clear? So let us move to the next question. Cosecant theta is equal to 13 by 12. Find the value of 2 sin theta minus 3 cos theta upon 4 sin theta minus 9 cos theta. Dushe is saying answer is 3. So what is the answer? Are you trying, Yashita, Diksha and Anjani? Solve it. Solve the question please. Okay, Anjani. Now we have given cosecant theta is equal to 13 by 12. Now cosecant theta is the reverse of sin theta. So cosecant theta is equal to hypotenuse upon perpendicular. Now that means hypotenuse is 13, perpendicular is 12, and by using Pythagoras theorem, base will be equal to root 13 square minus 12 square. It is equal to 5. That means sin theta is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. It will be equal to 12 by 13, and cos theta is equal to base upon hypotenuse, that means 5 by 13. Now if we put these values, value of sin theta and cos theta, this will be equal to 5 by 13. Now if we take 1 by 13 common from the numerator and denominator, that will be cancelled out and we will remains with 2 into 12 24 minus 5 into 3 15 upon 4 into 12 48 minus 45. So this will comes out to be 9 by 3. So answer is equal to 3. So Vidushi, you are correct. Answer is 3. Is it clear to everybody? Shall we move to the next question? Okay, Anjani. Find the value of cos 780 degree plus sin 480 degree. Try this question quickly. So Vidushi is saying 1, Anjani is saying 1. Let us solve this question. Now cos 720 can be written as cos 2 into 360, that means 720 plus 60 degree, and sin 480 can be written as sin 360 plus 120 degree. Now cos 720 plus 60 degree will be equal to cos 60 degree, and this will be equal to sin 120 degree. Now cos 60 is equal to 1 by 2, and sin 120 can be written as sin 180 minus 60. Now sin 120, that means this is in the second quadrant where sin is always positive. So this can be written as 1 by 2 plus sin 60. So this will be equal to 1 by 2 plus root 3 by 2. Then answer will be 1 plus root 3 by 2. Yes, you are right, Vidushi. Answer is 1 plus root 3 by 2. Jashita, answer is not 1 by 3. Now, is the explanation clear to everybody? Shall we move to the next question? Next question. Cos 20 degree plus cos 40 degree plus cos 60 till cos 180 degree is equal to. Now, options are 1, minus 1, 0 or 2. Cos 20 degree plus cos 40 degree till cos 180 degree is equal to. Yashita is saying option number 1. That is answer is 1. Yashita, answer is not option number 1. Try it again. Anjali is saying option number 2. So let us try this question. Now there are 9 terms with the difference of 20 degree. Cos 20 degree plus cos 40 degree plus cos 160 till cos 180. Now 8 terms can be cancelled out. Reason, cos 20 can be written as cos 180 minus 160 degree. Likewise cos 40 can be written as cos 180 minus 140. So likewise this is cos 140 plus cos 160 plus cos 180. Now cos 180 minus 160. So in the second quadrant, cos 180 minus 60 is minus cos 160, cos 180 minus 140 minus cos 140. Now cos 180 is minus 1. So this will be cancelled out. All the terms will be cancelled out. Only minus 1 will be there. So answer should be minus 1. That means second option. Is the question clear to everybody? Okay, Yashika, we'll try this question. We'll solve this question again. Now there are 9 terms: cos 20 plus cos 40 plus cos 60 plus cos 80 plus cos 100 till cos 180. Now cos 160 can be written as cos 180 minus 20, which is equal to minus cos 20. Likewise, cos 140 will be equal to cos 180 minus 40, which will be equal to minus cos 40. So I am saying this, there are 9 terms and 8 terms can be cancelled out. Cos 20 will be cancelled out with cos 160, cos 40 will be cancelled out with cos 140. There will remain only one term, and that term is cos 180 degree, which is equal to minus 1. Now Yashita, is it clear? Diksha, Yashita, is it clear now? Shall we move to the next question? So let's move to the next question. Tan theta plus cot theta is equal to 2. Find tan raised to power 5 theta plus cot raised to power 5 theta. So try this question. Anjali is saying 1. Anjali, this is not the right answer. Try this again. Vidushi is saying 4. Anjali is saying 2. Yes, answer is 2, Anjali. Now this question seems to be very tough, but this is very easy question, believe me. Now this equality tan theta plus cot theta is equal to 2. It is only possible when theta is equal to 45 degree, because tan 45 and cot 45, tan 45 is 1 and cot 45 is 1, so 1 plus 1, 2. Now this equality is possible only when theta is equal to 45 degree. So if we put the value in tan 45 raised to power 5 plus cot 45 raised to power 5, so this will be equal to 1 plus 1, 2. So is it clear to everybody? Vidushi, answer is not 4, answer is 2. Is it clear to you? Okay, shall we move to the next question? Let's move to the next question. The angle of elevation of the top of the tree from a point A on the ground is 60 degree. On walking 20 meters away from its base to the point B, the angle of elevation changes to 30 degree. Find the height of the tree. So try this question. Vidushi is saying 10 root 3. So let us try this question. Now in the starting we have given starting angle is 60 degree. Now at point A, suppose this point is C and this point is B, and distance of AB is given, that is 20. Suppose AC is X. Now H by X is equal to tan 60 degree, which is equal to root 3. So X is equal to H by root 3. Likewise, H upon X plus 20 is equal to tan 30. So X plus 20 is equal to, which is, this is 1 by root 3 H. Now value of X is H by root 3 plus 20 is equal to root 3 H. Now if we try this, root 3H minus H by root 3 is equal to 20. So this will be equal to 3H minus H upon root 3 is equal to 20. Now if we solve this question, then H will be equal to 20 root 3 upon 2. So this will be cancelled out. So answer will be equal to 10 root 3. Yes, Dushi, Diksha, your right answer is 10 root 3. Is it clear to everybody? Okay, let's move to the next question. A 10-meter high tree is bent by the wind in such a way that the top touches the ground and makes an angle 60° with the ground. At what height from the bottom did the tree get bent? So try this question. Anjali is saying 10 root 3 and Vidushi 10 upon 2 plus root 3. Suppose total height is given 10. Suppose tree is bent from the height h. Now if this part is h, then this will be 10 minus h, and angle is given 60°. So h upon, that means perpendicular upon hypotenuse, is equal to sine 60°. Sine 60° is root 3 by 2. So this will be equal to 2h. So this will be equal to, so value of h will be equal to 10 root 3 upon 2 plus root 3. So answer is 10 root 3 upon 2 plus root 3. If you further rationalize it, answer will be equal to 10 root 3 into 2 minus root 3. Further, if we solve this, then answer will be equal to 4.64. Okay, Anjali. Suppose tree is bent from the height h. Now total height of the tree was 10. It is bent from the height h. That means hypotenuse, that is AC, will be equal to 10 minus h, and angle is given 60°. That means perpendicular upon hypotenuse h upon 10 minus h will be equal to sine 60°, which is equal to root 3 by 2. So if you solve it, answer will be equal to 4.64. So is it clear to everybody? Shall we move to the next question? Okay, next question. The angle of elevation of the top of an unfinished tower at the distance of 75 meters from its base is 30°. How much higher must the tower be raised so that angle of elevation of the top at the same point may be 60°? So try this question. Vidushi, solve it in decimals. Yes, Vidushi, answer should be 86.5 nearabouts. Diksha 150, not the answer. Anjani, try it again. 151.7 is not the answer. So let us solve this question. Now given in the starting angle was 30 and later on angle was 60. Now base is given 75. Suppose this part is x and this part, now x upon 75 is equal to 1030. X is equal to 75 by root 3, and further if we rationalize it, this will be 25 root 3. Now x plus y is equal to 1060, which is equal to root 3 upon 75. So x plus y is equal to 75 root 3, where value of x was 25 root 3, so y will be equal to 75 root 3 minus 25 root 3, which is 50 root 3, which comes out to be approximate 86.5. So answer is 86.5. Is it clear to everybody? So let's move to the next question. The angle of elevation of the top of a tower from 2 points on the ground at distances a meters and b meters from the base of the tower and in the same straight line are complementary. Complementary angles, two angles will be called complementary if their sum is 90°. That means if one angle is x, then other angle will be 90 minus x. Find the height of the tower. So try this question. Vidushi is saying answer is root AB. Yes, Vidushi, this is the right answer. Let us solve this question. Now suppose this is x. Now this angle will be 90 minus x. This is A, this is B, this is C, now this is D. Now suppose this height is h. BC is given A and dB is given B. Now h by A is equal to 10x and h by B is equal to 10 90 minus x, which is equal to cot x. Now suppose this is first equation and this is second equation, and if we multiply these two, then h square upon AB is equal to 10x into cot x, which is equal to 1. That means h square is equal to AB and h will be equal to root of AB. So is it clear to everybody? Okay, thank you students. This is all for the trigonometry session for today. Now you can watch our videos on trigonometry. Those videos are, first video on trigonometry is T ratios 1 and T ratios 2, and video on height and distance. You can watch these videos at hitbullseye.com on YouTube. Thank you students and all the best.